Hey guys, welcome back. So today we got 2017 Elantra. Customer complained as there was a check engine light. They said check engine light came on yesterday and vehicles seem to have lack of responsiveness when accelerator was what do you call that? Accelerator was press. Sorry. so um, so we're gonna go here and we'll do our system scan. So let's see. Okay, so we don't have any codes right now. So let's go to our OBD2 side. So any scan tool can have this. I know this model has problem with ignition coils, engines, right? So let's just verify that it's not mechanical issue. So let's go here again on our OBD2 side. We know we don't have codes, and we'll just go to our Misfire monitor, right? So it counts Misfire, right? Let's go to cylinder number 1. So we got Misfire number 1, number 2, just a little bit there. Number 3 that has nothing, and number 4 has nothing. So what I did is we're gonna figure out when it misfires, right? So let me just start the car. So right now it's misfiring right now at idling, right? Just okay right now. The misfire was gone, so, because I can feel it on my seat. So data analysis, we're gonna check our misfire count there, just to prove that, you know, we know that it's pretty common these models with the ignition coils. We're just gonna prove that it's our ignition problem for the misfire, not mechanical. So right now there's a counting at cylinder number 1 misfire. There's 35 counts. So what I did is I just want to hook up our scope, and we did a current ramp test on our ignition coil. So let's just go back to our laptop and let's see. So we have our capture right now. So on this guy here, where my mouse is, that's my sync on cylinder number 1, and on my green one, that's my cylinder number 3, right? And this guys here are my current ramp. So everything looks okay there, right? No missing. And then by the end of this frame here, we got a missing current ramp. So let me just go another frame, and clearly I think this is the time when it starts misfiring. So you see that there's a missing current ramp, primary current ramp, this one too, and you see that our yellow side here on top, there's no more firing on the ignition coil. So at least we prove out that there's a problem with the ignition coil with this one. So we're just waiting for our ignition coil replacement. So I'm waiting for parts for that, and we'll see from there. Alright guys, so we gotta go ahead with our ignition coils. I know there's a bulletin for it that they only say that if you have a misfire, replace the ignition coil right away. They didn't even say what happened on that one. So we just want and we just prove something that, you know, that our ignition coil, especially on the primary circuit, has the problem. So we're replacing two ignition coil number 1 and 2 Just gonna remove this clip here. And just pretty straightforward. Just remove the bolt. And just like pull. So as you can see that this is our new ignition coil. It's totally different. They said that this is the updated part, right? So we're just gonna put it in. Okay, so I'm just gonna grab the scan tool and we're gonna go through, because some of these vehicles that when you replace the ignition coils, there's ECU update for the Misfire logic. So we're gonna check that and see. If not, we're just gonna go ahead and monitor again our Misfire counter, and we'll see from there. Okay, so now we're in the scan tool. Let's see if there's some available update on this vehicle. Okay, auto, engine, ID check. Okay, so there's no update available for that. So we're just gonna start the vehicle. Now let's go to our data again. So let's go to our Misfire counter. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so our Misfire counter is there. I'm just gonna do some couple snap throttle. Okay, so far it's idling perfectly, right? And so that's it, guys. So I know this common problem with this 2017 Elantra models with their ignition coil failure, and we just prove it out there that there's something wrong with that ignition coil itself. It's not a mechanical issue that that can cause also a misfire. It could be an engine problem. So I hope you enjoyed that quick video, and don't forget to like and subscribe, comment if you have any suggestions, and see you next time. Thank you for watching.